Hey everybody, it's Lynnea. Today I'm going to be creating and having some fun with the 6 rainbow colors of Atelier Inks, as well as the Bad and Bougie stamp and die set from InkOn3. So I have done a lot of watercoloring and water reactive techniques with the Atelier Inks. I've done a lot of ink blending, and I love how they work. But I realized as I was sitting at my desk and I was kind of looking at them and deciding what I wanted to do for this card, I realized that I haven't done a lot of stamping with them at all, except for to swatch my inks. So of course I had to remedy that. So I am going to make 4 quick cards using the lips image from the Bad and Bougie stamp set. I'm going to create 2 backgrounds that are rainbow, so I'm going to have all 6 colors of the Atelier rainbow colors on my card backgrounds. Then I'm going to have one that is red, orange, and yellow, and one that's green, blue, and purple. So all I'm doing is just starting with one color. So I started with the red, so I'm just filling up a couple of backgrounds with the red, and then I'll move on to the orange, and then to the yellow, and so on and so forth. So it really is easy, and in between I'm just going to be cleaning with my ink off cleaner as well as my ink off cloth to make sure that I don't have any color mixing and getting kind of muddy colors for my inking and stamping. When I use images to fill up a stamped background, I like to start in the middle-ish of my card and then work out from there. That way I can make sure that I don't get any huge gaping holes. And you're going to see that in the one with the green, the blue, and the purple background, I did have a big hole, but that's okay. I'm going to cover that up with my sentiment. I don't know what happened there. Sometimes, things happen. So I will just fill that in with my sentiment when I get to the end of my card. So I'm just going to finish up here, and I'm getting into the second half of the rainbow and just filling up and stamping all these images. And look at how well all of these Atelier Inks stamp. I didn't have to go back and double stamp any of them. I just used a regular acrylic block, and all of these images are smooth and crisp and just wonderfully vibrant. So here's all 4 of my backgrounds. I did go ahead and add some black ink spatters to the background just to fill in some of the holes and kind of give some more texture. And then I took some liquid pixie dust and I mixed it 1 part liquid pixie dust, 2 parts water. I poured some out on my craft work surface, and I'm just using a flat paintbrush to add a layer of this liquid pixie dust mixture over a piece of black cardstock. This is one of my favorite ways to create glitter cardstock. You can do this on any color cardstock that you have in your craft room. I really like it on the black because that liquid pixie dust really shines on darker color cardstocks. For my sentiment, I'm going to use the coordinating die from the Bad and Bougie stamp set, and I'm going to die cut that word kisses from my homemade glitter paper, and I'll do that 4 times so that I have a die for each of my cards. With the liquid pixie dust on there, sometimes it does kind of stick in my die, but that's okay. It's really easy to pop out. I went ahead and added that kisses die onto all 4 of my cards, and then I embellished with some pearls. So I did 2 cards with silver pearls and 2 cards with these kind of holographic black pearls. And that's going to finish this quick and easy card set. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that you pull out your Atelier inks and do some stamping, because really these are some of the best inks I've ever used for solid stamping. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.